Hello, Law Fanatics. I am Mohit Malhotra, legal intern at Lexis and Company, and would be discussing about the buyback of shares. So, in India, the buyback of shares refer to the process through which a company repurchases its own shares from its existing shareholders. And its legal framework, if I talk about it, so the buyback of shares regulated by Companies Act 2013 along with rules and regulation prescribed by SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India. So what's the purpose? Companies may choose to buy back shares for various reasons such as returning surplus cash to shareholders, boosting shareholders' value, consolidating ownership, or preventing hostile takeovers. Authorized capital and limits. A company can only buy back shares up to a specified limit, which is either 25% or 10% of a total paid up capital and free reserves as per the regulations. This limit may be subject to change based on SEBI guidelines. Now, if we talk about board and shareholder, so this topic needs their approval. So, the buyback proposal must be approved by the board of directors and subsequently by the shareholders through a special resolution passed in a general meeting. The company must finance the buyback through its free reserves, securities premium account, or the proceeds of a fresh issues of shares or other specified sources. Sorry for that. So now, if we talk about tender offer, the company makes a tender offer to its existing shareholders. This is about I'm talking about the mode of buyback of shares. So this is one of it, the tender offer. So specifying in this, the company makes a tender offer to its existing shareholders, specifying the number of shares to be bought back and the price at which the shares will be repurchased. The shareholders have the option to accept or either reject the offer. If we talk about the escrow account, it is in which the company is required to open an escrow its account and deposit at least 25% of its buyback consideration before making the public announcement of the buyback. So what's the time frame? The entire buyback process from the public announcement to the completion of payment must be completed within a specified time frame, usually not exceeding 6 months. So the disclosure and reporting, in this, company is required to make necessary disclosures to the stock exchanges and comply with reporting requirement as mandated by SEBI, ensuring transparency and investor protection. So jumping on to the conclusion, it is actually important to note that buyback of shares in India is subject to regulatory compliance and may be influenced by market condition, prevailing regulation in specific company circumstances. So if any one of you have any doubt regarding the same, do let me know in the comment box and I'll try to reach you in no time. Thank you.